right here I have the Miko 24-inch surface cleaner. This thing is a beast and works awesome. I'm gonna do a little bit of concrete cleaning right here. Now look how easy it is to roll. It's got these 4 caster wheels on there to move this 24-inch. You've got everything you need to assemble it. So you've got the pins, the handle that you put together with this hose right here. This is a 3-ace 4500 PSI hose, and that's what the max is for this pressure washer. Let's flip it around here. Very nice constructed aluminum, high quality aluminum, really light and lightweight, easy to move around. Comes with nozzles in here already in there, but also comes with extra nozzles in case you want to upgrade from 4 gallons a minute to 6 gallons per minute. But yeah, this thing very solid and heavy duty. That's the wand spinning around there. Also has these brushes right here on the side, and comes with everything you need. So it comes with some replacement nozzles, okay, and the 4 gallon to 6 gallon, and then it comes with some fittings. So if you need to attach, this is what I need right here for my pressure washer. So I'm going to use this fitting right here, because this is the type of wand I have right here. Okay, so what we're going to do is attach this. We'll screw this in right here. Okay, and once that is connected, then we'll take the nozzle right here. This is what you attach right here. We'll take that and attach right there. Okay, and so now we have a quick connect right here, and that's how that will work as that moves around. And then when you're done, you can just do a quick disconnect just like that. So this handle pivots pretty good no matter what direction you're going in or how high or whatever you need to reach. Has the trigger right here, so very easy to pull the trigger and go. Let's turn the water on and get going. But this is a 4500 PSI max. You must have at least 2000 PSI on your pressure washer. I'm using 3400, so we're going to see what it does right here on this concrete. Let's go. Okay, so the big benefit of having this as a 24-inch is that you can cover a lot of ground in a short amount of period. Here we go. Now if you want to, if you start getting circular rings, you can slow down. But since this is doing such an amazing job already in cleaning, you can really cover a lot of surface area in a short amount of time. Yeah. So yeah, this thing really works awesome. So obviously really dirty stuff, you just got to go a little bit slower. So yeah, super easy to move around. You can pretty much get wherever you want. It actually doesn't even need this big of a handle because of how light it is, and really moves easy with these wheels. So very easy to maneuver and get into corners. And in the middle of this video, I had a huge rainstorm come up, so I had to finish this quickly. I'm probably going to go over it just a little bit more, but you can see the drastic difference between the dark, especially after water gets on your concrete, you have that dirty look. But that's what it looks like after you pressure wash. So quite a difference. The Miko 24-inch pressure washer, surface cleaner, really works great. Very easy to use and move around. And so thanks a lot to Miko for sending this out to review. Great product if you're looking for something to surface clean a bunch of concrete like I have. This is the one for you. Definitely pick up one of these. I can highly recommend.